There we go. Gotta pause that. Now, where is the... There we go. Classical music to cure brain rot. Maybe that'll help me out. Hey, not bad. Let's see how it is with the restream. Okay, that chat is out. Okay, that display's too high. Let me put the chat a little bit up higher. If it can get much higher. You know what? Maybe this should be a little bit lower. And I should be a little bit... Maybe I can get a little bit higher. So high. And this can be on, like, on the top of everything. That seems fine as for right now. Maybe pop out this chat. Nope, wrong thing. Wrong thing. Interact with that chat. Wrong place. Put over here. Open up the other chat. No one's saying anything yet. That's good. So in the opening stages. And then you pop out the vertical chat. And I should be good now. For the next couple of minutes. Because right now, we're going to be focusing on... Wait. Give me a sec. I'm gonna put that in the background for me. For me, specifically. It'll be faint for y'all. So, we're gonna be focusing on trying to code an 8-point system. That's what it was. So let me look at the code real quick. Right? So, I know there was a win game. Here we go. I'll do something with the win game function. Right? When the game... Okay, so... If the current index... Wait. Okay, cool. If the letter, target name, link, win game. Yes. Else reset game. That's good. That's the win condition, that's the lose condition. So, if we change the win condition to something else, let's say add to a point. How do I add a point system? Let's see if I can find a way to add the point system. Man, I need more screen space. Low-key ridiculous. This will be on this corner. And that will... Oh, and this can be on... Are you serious? I guess I can't do that. How lame. But I'll manage. I think I can manage. If I can do something like that. That's good. Okay. Let me pull out the assistant. Hmm. I'm trying to remember. Not the welcoming thing. Let me open up the chat real quick. Oh, this is the chat. Crazy. Pop-out chat. There we go. That's the pop-out chat that I wanted to see. Okay. Now it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. Now I want to find out... Oh, this might be it. There we go. Oh yeah, I want to make a visible countdown. Okay. How would I implement a score system? And with the score system, I can probably have it like, you have to have at least a score of a certain amount in order to pass to the next stage of the game. Okay. Okay, let's see. Key features of a score system. Methods to add score, subtract score, reset score, track high score. Not a bad idea. High score saving, flexible score magnification. Okay. Wait a second. Wait, this is the wrong one. Oh wait, this is the right one. Okay, this is a little bit advanced. What'd you like? Okay, let's see what they added. Oh, this is we made an entirely new class. So there's extends note 2D. No, this is too... Yeah, this song is too chaotic. Let me put some freaking chiller music in the background. That's too hectic. I can't even focus with that. Okay. 2 label nodes. Let's go. Label 1. I'll call it score label. No, yeah, I'll add a... For right now, I wouldn't... Sure, I'm having a high score label. And follow the tutorial. Just following the tutorial. Just call it high score label. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so where is this? Let's see. Okay, so there's a class that extends the 2D. Wait. This is code written in the main scene. I just gotta make that. I just gotta make sure. I mean, they didn't have. Okay, I guess they're doing that. Okay, so that's kind of good. Okay. You know what? I'm keeping. I think I'm keeping the gold. I'm gonna call it gold. It's kind of like that yellowish. But no, it's when it gets dark, then I'll change the aesthetic. The way that I'll measure that is the if my phone's on dark mode, then I'll make it dark, I suppose. Or just the purple. What the heck? 14 concurrent viewers. Hello. How's it going? Feel free to chat it up in the chat. Alright. Okay, so the target name is Malik. Let's see, everything seems pretty good. Wait a second. Letter scene. Okay. Added current score and high score variables. Okay. Implemented add score method. Added high score. Update high score. Save high score. Load high score methods. That's gonna be interesting. Okay. So far, everything in the main, it works. It's all good. Anybody who wants to see how it works like this. This is gonna be the first micro game part of the game. And it's just literally name the name. At first I want to say spell, this is Miley? Okay, this is, wait, Oscar. Malik. Spell Malik. M-A-L-I-K. Luna. L-U-N-A. Something like that, right? And maybe I'm thinking about like having like the direction saying spell this name. But that's probably gonna, but I'm like, I like the challenge of not giving the player direction. But I shouldn't underestimate how players might not understand it. So, well, I'll get there when I get there, right? I'll get there when I get there. So, since we're here, we're going to be focusing on adding the variance of current score and high score. And that one's directly under game limit. Var current score equals 0. I would love for this game to be played on the controllers, but that's not happening. I'll probably need a virtual cursor. High score. And probably tweak the difficulty for some of the games that requires like precision. You know? High score. 0. Letter scene. Okay, got that. All that figured out. Balance margin, the letters, da 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 da. Oh, that's good. And the letters, yeah, that's good. Okay, what's new in the ready? Randomize, which is there, and load high score. Oh, no. A lot of these things look the same, other than load high score. We don't have that function yet. Let me collapse all this stuff to make it a little bit more pleasant to look at. Okay, so what we're doing right now is add score. Wait. How would I wanna wait, hold on, I'm thinking. I wonder if there's something along on the letters thing. Because if it's clicked, I wanted to add function ready, monitor true, process for balance margin. If input, okay. Q free. I wonder if there's a way, spawn letters. You know what? When it, instead of clicking on the letters, giving points to click on the letters, I'll give it points for every word that's spelled. Because I feel like there could be a way that, there could be a way that somebody could like min-max or just like brute force like a top score just by clicking enough letters. So the best, you know, so like if I say like spell Oscar, you could probably spell like O-S-K and then you move on to the next one, like spell M-I-M-M, or like, yeah, like I feel like if you know if you can identify the words fast enough, you can like click on enough words and then move on to the next one. I know there could be parameters that I can put in front of it to like have like a little bit of a cooldown, but I want this to be like rapid, like fast paced for the Zoomer brains, for people who are TikTok brain rotted, to give them that constant stimulation. So if they're gonna have that constant stimulation, they better do it right. Know what I mean? So I'll do it at the end of the end of a word, right? So not on the letter clicked. I should have. Wait, hold up. Oh, I guess I can't add it like that. Thinking about no. If current index, target name, length, win game, right? So instead of win game, I'll add. Wait. What was the code over here? I'm trying to look at it. There was a update add score. There was an add score function. Okay, cool. Let me add the function actually. Add score. And call that 30 points. Current score plus or equals to points. Oh yeah, that's update high score. Wait, hold up. I didn't do that right. Oh yeah, I did do it right. And the reason why it's like, that's a function, well, I'm like, hold your horses. Let me make that a function then. I got you. Call me, call me George Lopez, because I got this. Let's see. If score Oh, current score. It's greater than high score. Well, I don't care about high score right now. Oh yeah, hold on. High score. This is for like purely replay purposes, game testing purposes. High score equals current score. Yeah. Well, I shouldn't do the thumbs up. Yeah, we're iffy on how this works, right? We're a little bit iffy. Uh-oh. Just a little bit iffy. Okay. Also, I should probably check. This is probably too late, but I'm like, I should check. Yeah, cool. My thing is good. my mic levels are good. All right. So, since we got that, update score. Next function is the high score. We gotta save the high score. I think a cool thing down the line is probably having a leaderboard, but I don't know how to do that yet. What type of game? Hey, Mike Guy, long time no see. I remember you. The type of game that I'm doing right now is kind of like a WarioWare-esque clone. It's for the Let's Go Metal Hero game. I want there to be like different segments of the story to have mini games in between. And if you pass the mini game, you can continue for the rest of the story. And each segment of the story has like their own little mini game. Before I was gonna like have all the mini games together and just update it into the demo, but last time I was streaming, someone gave me the idea of finishing one like micro game at a time, and I'll upload it to itch.io to get feedback, so I can spend more time. Well, it'll update, it'll let more people know more about the game, and B, I can polish it a little bit better that way. So as people are experimenting with this little micro game that I have, I can move on to the next micro game and improve from there. Like I had a micrum of what I wanted to do with the chapter 1 of the Let's Go Metal Hero game. You can play that demo in itch.io and all that stuff. You know what I'm talking about, right? But this is going to be a little bit more refined. Right now, I'm working on the scoring system. Okay, so I already did update high score. Yes, I did that. What was I doing next? Dang. Save high score. I kind of don't want to save it, though. I don't want to save it yet. I'll have it. I'd rather have, like, a set score. Don't add it. Thanks. Thanks, Majin. I'm not gonna do that yet. Oh my god, hell, I'm happy you remember me. Sounds intriguing. It's good strategy. Development going good. That's a good strategy. Development going good? Yeah, it's going good so far. Now that I have this new idea. Okay, thanks, Majin, Rex, no. I'll do that later. So right now I should focus more on updating high score. I don't need to save the high score yet, so I'll probably leave a hidden code in there or something like that. I'll have it as a make a save high score function later. I'll like make a save high score function later. I wouldn't make a load high score. I can't spell function later. I'll do that later. And later being like if I have when I have everything together. Well, anyway, how you been doing, Mike Guy? I remember I was like on YouTube, and I think I remember seeing like you comment on a thing, a video, but can't remember the video, but I do remember seeing you. It was like some lolcow video. I don't remember specifically. It was kind of funny. Function spawn letters. Okay, the spawn letters are good. It's right here. But, okay, right. Let's see if I can, the spawn letters are fine. How can I add points in this code? Chillin'. Nice. How... Let's say I'll, let's see, not on the win game. If current index time, I wonder if that's a current score. Also working on a game. It might have been related to Coffee's comics. Oh, I get it. That's cool. Wait. I thought you had beef with Coffee Comics. Let's see. If current score or high score. Okay, that's... Okay, so current score plus or equal to points. Okay, so that's where I'm kind of confused by looking at this code. How will I'm looking back at it. Let me ask. I add points when a word... When a target name is finished. That's kind of my thing. Okay, so it's, oh, okay. So on name completion bonus, variable set to 50 point. Oh, there's a name completion bonus? That's an idea. So what the assistant is telling me is saying I can add a name completion bonus variable and have that set to like 50 points. I kind of want to have it a multiplier instead of a set number. But I'll stick to it. I'll make the bones. I'll stick to the skeleton, and after I'm done with the skeleton, I'll make and break what I need to, because I'm still a novice at this. Okay, ready. Wait time. That's good. Let's see where did it go? Okay. At score. That's new. That's not new. Save score. I'm not doing that. In game spawn letters. Did it create a new function? I don't think it did. Okay. Current score. Oh, name completion bonus. That's a variable. Oh, okay. So it's up here. I have it a name completion bonus. I'll stick with the skeleton. I'll stick with the skelly. And an on letter clicked. On letter clicked. If letter current target name. Okay, cool. Wait. I'll close that for the time being. Up. Equals 50. Okay, so yeah, all that's cool. Add score 10. Add score 10, right? Right. Current letter index. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted. But what's the game about, Mike guy? If you're still there. Plus or equals 1. Current score. Wait, if the current score and okay, add score. There we go. Name completion bonus. I don't want the game to. I don't want to trigger the win game yet. Instead of having like make it the win game. I'll make the function. I'll call this function like next phase. I'll just call it next. And when it's next, the countdown will reset. Can I do that? Is it a... Is there a way to restart the countdown? I'm still here. I usually put in production streams in the background as I work. I get it. It's a visual novel where players control as Tori as science experiments in the middle of the breaking out of a lab. Okay, nice. Every time, wait, Boxel Forge says, every time it's something related to RNG makes a 0.01% of the CSGO case roll sound. Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. Can I make the count reset after finished? What was it? What's it called? A finished count after a finished. Okay, the idea is to build friendships and enemies. It'll lead into my webcomic about her. Okay. Just hoping to finish it before I die. Yeah, just make sure it's a simple one, alright? Just make sure it resets. Okay. So it turns out it requests that I make a new function. Well, new method, yeah. So where does that method looks like? What does that method looks like? Okay, it's a reset run. Oh, that's a chunky method. Reset round. Okay. So the countdown will stop. I don't want the current letter index to be 0. Though. Facts. I read about developers who got too ambitious. Yeah. What engine are you using? I'm using Godot right now. But when it comes to like visual novel games, I hear people say to use RimP. But I think you're already past that step of you deciding which engine you want to use. Hopefully the people in the vertical chat can identify what's going on. Also, the fact that there's 28 people in the in the vertical looking at my stream right now is kind of ridiculous. That just tells me that people just really don't care about like art streams. If I had this many people on my art stream, I'd be ecstatic. And that's really funny to me because like people like watching me code. That's weird. Yeah, I'm using WinP. Like what I'm like right now I'm using a with Godot. I think I'm using a whatchamacallit. I want to use Dialogic, but the way I'm gonna have the cutscenes play, it's basically gonna play similar to the what is it? What's it called? The motion comic, right? I want to play it similar like to motion comic with the voice acting and everything. Okay, so I don't want the current letter index to be 0. I want to keep the current letter index. So for letters in the letter sequences, letter Q3. Oh. What the heck? Wimpy is easy, and I'm a very super person, so I'm glad it's a beginner friendly. Yeah, I understand. I'm looking at this, right? So I'm like, okay, so literally it's everything to be like reset. I don't want to reset the whole round. I just want to reset the timer. So I think I'll just keep everything that prefers to the countdown. So wait time. Wait time equals game time limit. I have no idea what that means. Game time limit. Countdown start. There we go. Hope that does what I want it to do. I kind of want to play test this to see what the heck am I doing. All right. Jacob, that's Jacob. Okay, that's Emily. Oh shoot. Sophia. Oh crap. Emma. Ooh, okay, something broke. something something broke. I want to add a sound effect every time. Like, oh man, I gotta do that later. I gotta do that like after things are pretty good. I need to figure out how to make a visual representation of this. I did this before, right? I gotta open up a previous scene or a previous object because I want it to show. Let's see. No, is there like a? No, I guess I can't. It didn't happen like that. I want the score label to say something, right? I'll have it like over here. I'll probably have like a little playpen, like an enclosed area for all the letters to bounce around in. So with the script, with the score label. Wait. Maybe I'm getting scattered. Maybe I'm getting scatterbrained. So what's going on? Invalid index for base object type string. Something was going. Everything was going well. Maybe I need to finish. Maybe I just need to finish something. Because I don't want the game to oh, let me reset. Oh, it's still at end game. Okay, I have Zoomer brain, so keep with me. I have Zoomer brain. So instead of that, let me go to reset round. Because before it was just win game. So I'll have reset round. So if I have the round to reset every time. Actually, I probably shouldn't do this yet. What I should do, right, is... Oh. Alex. Yeah, that's Alex. Okay, I gotta double the time limit because my brain is too slow for right now. Let me double the time limit to 20. That'll give me enough time to recognize the name, spell it out. Oh shoot. Malik. Okay, what's going on? That's not right. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold up. I don't know that. Alex. Okay, so every second... That's interesting. Every second word, it's resetting for some reason. That's not supposed to happen. Oh. Maybe... Why do I have two current letter and... What is that? Why is that there? Okay, so on letter clicked. If letter is clicked, current letter index +1, add score 10. If current letter index equals target name, dot length, that means it just adds the score to the name completion bonus, and then it'll just reset the round once it's complete. Else, reset time. So that means if I get it wrong, then it'll be reset. Or maybe I can minus score. Can I minus score? Let me look at the previous thing. Subtract score. Oh, there was, but that's when it was like... Okay, GD script. That was on enemy hurt, add score, on player hurt, subtract score. There was a score manager. Wait, that's way before it had the context of... Okay, so let's see. There needs to be a context of winning the game. That's what I don't have right now. That's why the context of winning the game is what I don't have, which I kind of don't need right now. Okay, I fixed that bug. And another one just showed up. Uh-oh. And another bug came. Such is life. Okay. So the problem with this bug right here is that it's not actually restarting the game. Let's see what I have with the win game. Oh, it reloads the current scene. I don't want that. So instead, let's spawn letters. On the name completion scene, I'll do like spawn letters. So it'll keep adding up, right? Okay, so, and, okay. I think the M left. I can't finish this. The M left. Let me try that again. I need to fix that because the letters sometimes like creep away. So that's Luna. Cool. That's a new bug. Block session close. Maybe I should keep with the original idea. Oh. That's Malik. What? Emily. Huh. Invalid index based on the type string. So every time it spawns new letters, right? It can't add... So what's interesting? So what's going on right with here? With this? So if the letters, target name, current letter index... Is it not understanding? So there's something in this code is not understanding. If a new target name is found, right? Luna. That's Luna. Okay, so every time it it respawns the letters. Okay, what else do I have? What do I have to need to do? I think I have to I feel like I have to call the ready function again. Just the entire ready function. Because if I just spawn the letters, actually, I think that's what I need to do. Just reload the. I don't want to reload the current scene, right? Because I don't want to reload the balls. Exactly. Yes. Battle Cat. Teach me the ways. Have an AI assistant. That helps out a lot. And also, don't even ask the AI to solve everything for you. Just like you're seeing right now, you have to cross-reference. You have to know a little bit of, have a little bit of an idea of what you're doing. It's just, I get the big picture of stuff, but the minute things is what I don't understand. Look, it's like learning a language backwards. It's like I'm a second, like a second generation or third generation immigrant, where second generation immigrant or something, where their parents speaks the language, but I can only listen to it, but not speak it. That's what it feels like. I can't speak the programming language, but I can listen to it. I can look at it and I'm like, okay, so this is what's happening. But if I want to construct code, I'm like, I can't help. I can't help you, buddy. I guess that's the crutch of this way of doing it, of coding. Let's see. Get tree. So what was I doing? I might have to reload the current scene. And I think that's going to be good for... Maybe I should just have it as a win game. Right? Right? But okay, I'll just have it like that for right now, right? I'm not using AI just to help learn Python. Wait. Mike Guy says, I'm using AI not just to help to learn Python, but also immediately course correct mistakes in the game. It's a powerful tool, and I think every early adopters will appreciate in the future. Yeah. Absolutely. So right now I'm thinking, how the heck am I gonna Okay, so let's go with the game being functional first, right? Hold up. Let's go with the game being functional first. So we're gonna do win game. I honestly forgot how to make a M-A-L-I-K. Luna. Okay, that's good. Good. Everything works as it should, except I just need to remember how to update. Oh, hey Chad, what's going on? I need to update how to make the update the score label, like have the score label present itself. And if I remember correctly, it was like how can I make the score label show the current score? It's been forever. It's been forever. And I wish... Okay, cool. I just want this thing just to tell me... I wish the thing just didn't, like, rewrite the entire thing. Okay, the on ready. That's what it was. I think if I have, like, the, this is... How many lines of code do I have? Ah, too much. I have too much lines of code for this little game. That's what it feels like. But if it works, you know? Alright, like, on ready. Where is the on ready? And what does it look like? Oh, here we go. On ready, variable, score label. Give this thing some space. Good gosh. Alright. Variable, score, label. Equals score, label. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, letter scene. Well, we're all good with that. Second, created the update score label method. Go into that method. Call it function. We're calling it update. Score label. And with that, we're gonna do the update score label. There it is. Wait, that's not where it is. Where is it? There's too many functions here. That's on the countdown, timeout, high score, don't need the I score. There we go, update score label. Okay, there we go. I knew I remember somewhat. Score label dot text equals egals score. Percentage D. Really? What does that even mean? Percent score label. Oh, current score. Okay. Call update score label in ready. Add score. Update. After each score change. Okay. So I'll add it to the ready variable. Update score label. And into the add score. Where's the add score? There it is. We got this. Come on. Okay, so we got, where is it? I can't see it. Where's the K? Oh, it's over here. Can I at least print the score? Why isn't the score showing? Okay, add label note called score label to your scene. Well, I did. Position a label where you can see the score that's displayed. Okay, I think there's background. There's background right here. Oh, wait. No wonder I can't see it. The background sprite is on top of everything. We'll make this visibility. I'll lower the alpha a little bit so we can see what we need to see. I don't know why I have this thing right here. That's for later. So let's see if it will actually show. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Oh, oh. Oh, wait, the day is covering. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Let's see Jacob. Oh, and the score. Oh, let's go. Okay, so we need to prevent it from going to 0 every time. Can we get it? Let's go. W's in the chat. Let's go. We did it. Sort of. Sort of. Okay, so all we need to do is keep it from resetting. What's the function of the reset game? Well, that's to reset the current scene. So maybe if we instead of do the win game, we do the reset round. And let's see what happens. Maybe it'll stick around. So we got Malik. The K is gone. Malik. And oh right. Oh, score 100. But that's cool. I kind of like it with like the more you spell, the higher the score you get. I think. Oh, right. The score, it's like 50. Thinking emoji. What was it? Completion bonus? Can I do like a times 50? Oh, wait. How can I make it a multiple? Is it like this? Nope. Nope. We'll figure it out later. We'll figure it out later. Okay, let's see. Alright. Now let's see. Now let's... All I need to do right now. Okay, wait, I don't need to think about the multiples right now. So we got the score. We got the score label, right? And that's good. That's pretty good. I think what we need to do now. I don't want to reload the game because if we reload the game or reset the game. How would I reset the game and keep the score? Actually, here's what I'm gonna do. Right? I'm going to save this. Wait, did I? Yeah, it saves every time. That's good. Keeping. Reset. Reset the target name while keeping the current score. Okay, so it doesn't really... I guess that's pretty cool, though. Because right now I'm using Claude AI. And what I'm saying, what it's doing, it's rewriting the entire script. And then telling you what it changed. So it doesn't really tell you, do this, da 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 da. It's showing you first, and then telling you what to do. Edit target names to cycle through it. That's good. Already have that though. I appreciate it. Created. Wait, do I also have the current target name thing? Oh no, I don't. Interesting. Current target name, current letter index. Interesting. Edit target names to cycle through different names. Okay, create it, select new target name method. We're going to select a new target name to reset the letter index. Or replace the hard-coded target name with the current target name. Did you? Yes, you did. I see. Anybody else? Okay. Okay, I'll replace it. I know there's a way to replace it here. Actually, I don't need it. I don't need to replace it, actually. I mean, I feel like it would work. Modified spawn letters. Actually, no. It changed. Okay, it doesn't matter. Spawn letters and on spawn. Wait. Spawn letters. Okay, look at spawn letters. Okay, it's right here. Okay, here we go. At child letter instance. A lot of this is pretty... Really? What did you do? Keep current score between rounds. Randomly selects new target names. Okay, each round. More dynamic gameplay. Maintains player progress score. Easy to add more names in the target's array. A lot of this stuff is already added, but it's good. Okay, so more dynamic. Okay. Function, spawn letters. Wait, a lot of this stuff is not really changed. Let's see if I can spot the difference. A lot of this stuff looks the same. And on letters clicked. On letter clicked. What would you change on letter clicked? Okay. Okay, so The score and the index is good. It's the same thing. If the current index, same length, add score, name completion bonus, and reset round. And it seems like it mostly changed for the reset round. It just added that new function. So the reset round is countdown stop. Okay, cool. Okay. Now this is everything that I needed to know. Finally. Gone to the brass tacks. Now it's time to count down. Stop. For letter in letter instances. Letter Q free. Free. Letter instances. Clear. Select target names. What is this? Okay. Okay, yeah, select new. That's a new thing. Okay, select new target name. That's a new method. That is a new method. Okay, yep, there it is. That's the method. Oh. Right says, hey man, is this Godot? And what are you doing? Is it a camera system? Hey, right, I'm making a micro game. And the whole point of the game is to spell out a name. And the more names that you spell, it adds the score. Like, this is Emma. M-A... Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, I was in the middle of coding, so I shouldn't have done that. It's part of my game, Let's Go Metal Hero. It's like a micro game collection. And you complete, like, the micro games in between the stories to progress through the story. And right now, I'm making the micro games into their own little things and, like, publishing them on itch.io. And right now I'm just trying to make a system for every name that you spell, for every name that you spell to completion, it will the score carries over to the next name that'll give you. And yeah. So right now I want to carry over the score. Now let's see. Because right now I have the names down. I have the general addition of the scores down, and what I have to do now is make sure the score transfers from one name to the next. Wait, where was I? Oh yeah, reset round. Letter instances clear. And yeah, that's good. And oh yeah, select new target name. That's what I was trying to do. A new method. Oh yeah, I think I said that this was Godot. On letters, this was select new name. All right. And with this function, we gotta get the... It's not called the currently target name. I wish I should have done that. Target name. Is it name or name? Okay, now I get why the assistant said to name it as current target name or something like that, so I won't get confused. Target names, and that's a random. Make it Randy percentage target names size. Okay, that should be helpful. Zero. What is the current letter index? Where does that come in? Okay. What is the current? I'm trying to remember. What is the current level? Not sure. I am not sure. Okay, so... Oh, wait, I forgot to add it. So reset round, select new name. And... So instead of reset round, it'll be... Oh yeah, right. Oh, like select new name. And reset round, da 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 da. Select new target name. Okay, cool. Select new name. Spawn letters. Count down. Uh-oh. Okay, so the countdown, da da da. Wait time. Equals game time limit. And another countdown start. This is getting a little bit too hectic. Just a bit. Okay, so I want when the letter is clicked, okay, add score, add collision. Yeah, that's good. So the reset round will look like this, and let's see if that works. That is Luna. Oof. Function queue free and basic previous free to end a null instance. Let me check something out. So that's in the reset round. Queue free. Letter instances clear. Target name, okay. Choose letter Q free. Maybe I should take that out because it doesn't really feel like something that function should care about, right? Because like the whole thing about that function is just to give me a new name. Shoot. No, MLE. Awesome. I don't know how to. Okay, whatever. Okay, the Red Null says, so what you making? I'm making a game where you spell names. I guess that's the best way I could put it. It's a micro game that's part of the game adaptation of this book right here. Let's go, Metal Hero. Right now I'm trying to, after every name I spell, I want to add the score. So this is Emma, A-M-M-A. Malik, M-A-L-I. Shoot. Sophia. So I should make all the names simple. Like, or something like that. I need to get good at the game. So, like, oh, very nice, thank you. Gotta start with something simple. Luna, that's good. No. It works! It works! W's in the chat. Yeah, boy! Yeah! That feels good. Oh my gosh. No. This is great. Oh shoot. Liam. That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay. So I don't want, so if it's wrong, I don't want to reset game. I want to reset round. But I want to subtract score. I subtract. Actually, no. I think I know how to do this. Instead of name completion bonus. Instead of having a variable and name completion bonus, I'll be like a name I'll call it name penalty. And have that minus 50. Right? Let's see if that works. Oh wait, no, I didn't even add it to the code yet. I didn't add it to the code yet. Name penalty. So how you doing, the Red Null? Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. I'm messing up. Oh boy, this is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen. Oh no. I... That's pretty nice. Oh, the numbers are they're overlapping. Let's see how far I can go before it, like, breaks. Oh my gosh. Nah, whatever. Sick. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice if I do say so myself. Okay. I don't even know what fruit this is. Okay. That's not what I want. So, now that we got that out the way. Alright. Well, no. I need to fix that bug. Wait, that's weird, though. Oh! Oh! I get what's going on. I get why the reset round thing is there. The 4 letters in Q3. For letter and letter instances. Letter Q oh what? It's not even oh wait. There's already a parameter for letter in the scope. Oh, okay. So is that what's happening, huh? That's what's happening, huh? Maybe I actually do need it for it to reset the round. For letter and letter instances. Letter dot Q. I can't spell Q. Why are French words so ridiculous? Almost style. Coding is hard to learn, and most of the time, most time consuming. Because if you find one error, you need to read the whole code again and find out what gives an error. Yeah, but with this, it's mostly like it's logical. So if it's logical in a way that the game will tell you where it's like having its hang-ups. So I just have to think about like why is it having this hang-up. So I don't have to look at like it's not like I have to look at like select a new name or the win conditions or the reset game. Oh, that's the lose conditions. Or the reset game or the add score stuff. It's at least like you can find out where specifically you can where it had its hangups. Letter instances clear. Wait. That means, can I just do an else? Letter instances clear? Can I just do that? Will it allow that? I'm like, if that's an option, and oh, it doesn't work that well, huh? Okay, no shortcuts, no shortcuts. I get it, I get it. I thought I could do a shortcut. All right, back to the coding, back to the lab again. Oh no. Back to the lab again. We messed up. Letter and letter instances. Letter Q free. Letter instances. Dot clear. Will you play nice with this code? With this new code, Goodell? Oh, it does. Hey, look at that. Oh. That's not cool. That's unfun. I'm thinking like, oh, okay. What? Add score. Let's see. Update score label. That's the score label, right? And I think I'll add it to like the update score label. I said like if what's it called? What did I name it? Current score. What's the less than greater than sign? Let's say I'm drawing a blank. If current score is less than 0, current score is 0. I think that's how it goes. Uh-oh. I think like when it's like the less than, then the alligator teeth is wait. I forgot. It's because I'm streaming. Oh. Okay, the letter and the Q free. What's this? Attempt to call function Q free based on previous read on a null instance. I wish it would speak English to me. New select to network name. Let me check the reset. Around letter instances clear. It says like this isn't great. And it says it. Is it the only way for me to do it? Is it letters instead of letter? Nope. Well, let me see the instance again. That's Noah. That's Emma. Emily. Oh. Oh. What? That's bizarre. Because what's happening is that it works sometimes, and it doesn't. It only. It crashes sometimes. Interesting. I did not expect that. All right, let's see. The game crashes sometimes. Let's see what this have to do. It crashes. Cause tempt. Bro, your YouTube Shorts stream comments are crazy. It's alright. It is what it is. It is what it is. What the heck? What was I doing? Okay. I appreciate people commenting. Function Q free and base previously freed on a null instance. Because within the reset round method. The reset underscore round method. Alright, it seems like I reached the limit. Which is fine, In times like this, I jump ship to other to other methods. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. I mean, this isn't like I'm playing a high octane game or anything like this, or like that. Maybe if I put the music to 144p, that'll help a little bit. Okay, I guess I'll have to try a different model. ChatGPT is so freaking weak, but Grok is a little bit better. But I can't upload text files to Grok. That's unfortunate. I'll try out Gemini. Okay, so let's see if I can open. No, wait, open in a file manager. And this is called the main scene on the GD script. I wonder if it'll just like pick up on the vibe. Wait. Oh, the file type is unsupported. Crap. Okay, I'll do it as a text file then. Notepad, come and save me. Okay, I'll just save all of this. I'll just say it as, I'll call it, on the desktop, I'll call it main. Hey Lemay, what's going on? Let me add files. Hopefully it'll accept text. Let's see how smart this thing really is. Encode in GD script and Lemay, I'm tired. I understand. It's around that time anyway. But welcome to the chat, Lemay. Oh wow, that is really cool. Because you can like basically hop from one AI model to another if you just give them the code and say this is what's happening. Just like a single word of saying like, hey, this happened, and then the other model's like, oh, this is what happened. I was like, oh, I understand. Have you tried this? And I'm like, that's interesting. But will it work is the other question. Is a different question. Okay. Based on the code you provided, the crasher encountering and tap the function Q3 blah 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 blah. Here's a breakdown that might be happening and how to fix it. Modified your code at the same time. Alright, blah 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 blah. Give me the answers. Okay, so go to the function of the reset round. Wait. Goodness. Countdown, stop, blah 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 blah. Disconnect the signals. I did not oh wait, this is not a method. Okay, we'll see if this works actually. Okay. So this solution might be for letter and instances. If instance I don't know if this is actually a function. If is instead. Oh, that's an actual thing? That's an actual thing? Huh. If is instance valid letter Q free. That's interesting. That's the first time I saw like if instance is valid used. Huh. We'll see if it works. And it works. Huh. Let's go, I guess. Let's go. Hallelujah, man. Let's go. That is amazing. I probably would not have figured that out in a million years. Okay. So let's see what we have. We're getting so much done today. I'm feeling good. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this again. Not only that, the score remains 0. So there's no like negative scores. All right. Okay. I didn't even touch the plums. I'm already eating. I already know I ate too much plums recently. I still have a whole jar of pitted plums in my kitchen. And I'm like, I don't want to eat anymore. But the other fruit's alright. I haven't even drank a sip of water this entire stream yet. Okay. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I want to have, like, the previous stream that I did, I wanted to have a countdown of, like, how much time we have left. But I kinda want to do, like, a progress countdown. I'm thinking about, like, what should I implement next. I could do the count. Well, no, I think the countdown's pretty much all I need to do. Well, I need to have 2 countdowns. One countdown being like until like you get like a game over, like you timed out of naming a whatchamacallit. Wait, yeah, you timed out of like naming a name, and the other one being the end of the micro game, right? So I think what I'm gonna do right now is work on the micro game countdown, so the player can see. Wait, what did I have a countdown label? Yes, right here. And let's see if I can learn. See if I can pick up what I've learned from the score label. Wait, can I do it outside? Can I do it outside? No. I'll make it its own function. I'll call it a naming countdown. Is that how you spell naming? No, that's a. I gotta. Hi, no. What's going on? I forgot how to spell naming. Okay, that's right. That's how you spell naming. I just had to write it in the chat box. Actually, I'll call it a micro countdown. Micro. I'll have 2 countdowns. Well, 2 countdowns. The micro countdown and then the macro countdown. Yeah, the micro countdown and then the macro countdown. So right now I'll work on the micro countdown. Wait. So did I rename? Wait, what's the countdown thing? Where's the countdown label? Well, this is the countdown label, but is that tied to the $$ countdown? What? You doing good? Yeah, I'm doing good. How about you? Welcome to the chat. Yeah, #1 YouTube. I don't know what the third thing is, but I appreciate the enthusiasm. But I'll call this the micro countdown. And with the micro countdown, oh, this is the countdown right here, I forgot what I was looking at. Okay, so the countdown label is something else. Like, honestly, this have been like, well, I wouldn't say this have been like the most viewed live stream. Well, I've had in a while. Okay. And for coding, of all things. I wouldn't even think coding would be like an interesting thing to look at. Okay, so countdown. Okay, so the countdown label, right? I want the text. Let's see if I can speak this language. Time. I'll do it's the percentage D. And what was it? Game time limit. Does that work? Let's see if this works. Okay, I guess it's not really. Uh-oh. Okay, the game's... Okay, it's bugging out a little bit. If I show the countdown label. Let's see if I give it some space. And if I lock this background thing right here, maybe I'll do... Okay, here we go. Nice music. Yeah, I just have, upbeat and chill Nintendo aquarium playlist to get to work. Nintendo music is pretty good to code to, honestly. I tried some classical music, but it was too high energy. Okay, so apparently... So let me ask, how do I add this? How do I add a visible? Let's see if it can answer. How can I add a visible countdown to the scene? Okay, cool. Nice, nice. Okay, in Cheesecake. Add an on ready to a reference, a countdown label. Ready, countdown label. Okay. Function, process delta. Oh. 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 It's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be in the process. Wait, where's the process? Oh, I don't even have a process here. I guess I'll add it. A process function. 1, 2, 3. Exactly. Process delta. And it should be this. Because it'll count every frame. Okay, percentage. Time. Okay, so I was basically right. I was basically right. So countdown, time left, huh? Countdown label text. Huh. You know, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm understanding. Countdown. Time left. So it should look something like this. What are you cooking up there? I'm thinking... Oh, it's there! Holy crap, it's there! Why is it so light? Let me check out the visibility. Like, you can see it, but it's pretty light. It's pretty faded. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's right here. And it resets all the time. Let's go. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Thank you for the claps. The skeleton is nearly complete. Wait, if it's nearly complete, then what else do I need? Well, for starters, I want a multiplier. Okay, let's make the time a little bit shorter. Let's say 10 seconds. Because you have this array of names right here, right? And this array of names. I feel like it's a good starter pack, right? So, the answer to... Wait, hold up. Is it time for the night mode? No, it's not time for night mode yet. Okay, yeah. It's not time for night mode yet. So, with this array of names, this could be gonna be good. So let's see how I can... Oh, right. Oh, wow. 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds, good. Okay. So here's the problem that I'm up against now. Right? The name's going outside of the border. I don't want that. I don't like that one bit. Let me see if I can go to the scene. Project settings. And I can see the window. Okay, it's 16 by 9. That's good. That's what I like to see. But I want to create a barrier, because I don't want it to be the viewport, the screen size being the viewport. Maybe I can have the screen size. Does the screenshot size show up in any other part? Okay. Okay, spawn letters. Letter instance position. Okay. A barrier? Yeah, like right now the way that I have it coded is... Oh wow, I feel like my thing is a little bit too bright. I'm looking at myself through the camera. I haven't looked at myself through the camera right now. It seems like the light is getting too bright. So the way that I have it set up right now. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Yeah, I like the little yellow light. Looks good. Looks good. Good enough. Okay, as I see the sun going down. I've been outside, had my walks. After this, I'll probably just stretch a little bit. Actually, I should stretch now. Stand up a little bit. A reminder for everybody to do your daily stretches. And not sit down all day. And touch grass. And drink water. Do your homework or whatever. Tell your parents you love them. Okay, now all that said and done. literally, the way that I have this barrier set up right now is the whole rectangle right here. The window is essentially the entire barrier. So I've been trying to tell the game, don't let the letters go out of the barrier right here. But as you can see, sometimes the letters like they don't like to listen to me. And other times, yeah, like if you saw the P over there, and other times, like not all the times, when I expand the barrier, that's when the whole thing gets wider. So if it's like this small, then it's not supposed to like shimmy when it gets to that point, right? But it will. I don't know how to fix that at the moment. So I just want to say, I probably will have an overlay, and like a part, like somewhere in the overlay, it'll say, let's say like this part of the overlay, it'll have the instructions. This part will have the what was it called? This part will have the scores, and this part will be like reserved for, I don't know, letters. And I guess I'll see if I can. Okay, screenshot. I think that makes sense if I have like an area 2D, right? Actually, let's see what it would say. Let me look at the script and see how I coded it. Screen size, viewport, spawn letters, position, letter instance. Okay, so this code right here talks about the spawn positioning. Yeah, bouncing letters, yeah. Yeah, this right here talks about the positioning of the letters. So so I guess I would ask the question, how would I make the letters spawn in an, should it be an area 2D? I guess I'm in an area 2D node. Let's see. Would area 2D be like the best node? A region of 2D space that detects other entering or exiting it. That makes good sense. Inside an area, I would say inside an area 2D node. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. I just noticed. I thought it just gave me the code, and I was like, holy crap, do I have to recode the entire thing, but inside an area 2D? I mean, if I did that, it wouldn't be that crazy, though. But that would be annoying. Okay, this might be the last thing I do in the stream, though. But I made a lot of good progress. Like, a lot of good progress that I thought I wouldn't. Right? Okay. So, add area 2D node. Get a child. Wait. Collision 2D as a child. And get the area dimensions and your script. So you need the size with error 2D collision. Modify the spawn letter. Question. When the letters form a word. Question. When the letters form to make a word. What do you mean? Like, you mean like, it'll go, like it says like Malik, it'll go somewhere to like spell L-I-K. Oh, snap. Jacob. Like stuff like that. I don't think I'll do that. I think I'll have like the directions be like spell name. Yeah, it'd be like spell target name, current name. And that'll be like oh, I'll do that actually next. Rare. Yeah. Modify spell letters, adjust spawn letters. And justify it to the dimensions. Okay. Really? Really? Is that where it's at? Oh wait. In your script, you need to get the size 2D. Okay, so it's like the specific dimensions. On ready vario spawn area. Fire rectangle 1. Area rectangle equals spawn get node 2. This gets the area 2D in the same world. Area global position. Letter instance position. Wait, the letter instance position calculated. Okay, wait, so. And this should be the same, right? Random range, balance margin, screen size X. I guess it's like area position now. So it's the other thing, vice versa. Letter instance, letter. Okay. Actually, I'll probably leave that off to like tomorrow. That's a little bit too much in my brain for right now, for today. So I'll add a little rubber ducky. I'll say I'll add a barrier for the spawn and the letters. And what I'll do instead, I'll make a new label. And call it direction. Right? And the direction label will be up here. I imagine it being up here. And the direction will be... I feel like that will be in the process. So within the direction, text, spell. I don't want it. Wait, I don't want it to be here. I don't think it needs to be like that. Well, it would be. Okay. It would say like spell. Let's see if I can make it by copying this actually. direction text equals spell I guess this is like dot frame. Add that. Add that. Wait, how did it look? Spell what's in it. Target names. Let's see how that looks. Ah. What if I just did this spell percentage target name? Are you a college student? Nah. Okay, I guess I can't be over here. Incomplete format and operator percentage. Okay. How do I text that? Wait, how do I add text? Wait, add a label that instructs the player to spell the current target name. I give up. Give me the answer. Okay, score label, spawn area, okay. So it should be in the ready. Oh, okay. Okay. So it would be target name. Well, it would be direction. Text equals spell. And it would be over there plus target name Let's see if that worked. Oh, spell Liam. Okay, that works right here. Spell Liam. And the I left. Oh, Liam. Uh-oh. Okay, so that's cool. It just needs to be updated every time. Let's see if this is the right way to update it. So I'll check every frame. Emma. Okay. Jacob. Okay, it's a good way. It's a good way. So right now, like if I put in the process function, it'll check every frame to see if it's changed. If I didn't want to do it every frame, let's say if I want it optimized, I'd probably have it right here, right? every time the round every time the round resets. Huh. Let's see. Let's see if it'll work there. Like if every round reset. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so that's a bad idea. Because it only shows the previous one. Interesting. So maybe under select new name. Oh no, it's still the same problem. I'm just fiddling around. Seems like the process function is the best way to handle it, honestly. Because it constantly checks the current frame. And everything is pretty much after the fact. This might be bad for the frame rate, but hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So far with this stream, what we got accomplished. So what we got accomplished with this stream, we added the label, we added the score, we revealed the time, we added we added the direction. First off, we added the score feature. We were able to present the score feature and the time feature, and we're able to add the score, make the score functioning. Not only that we add the score feature, we made the score functioning. And I think that's pretty good. That's pretty solid for a stream. Man, that's pretty good. What do y'all think? What are your thoughts? Actually, I feel I have a pretty good kick. Let's see if I can actually get that thing done. The area 2D. It's just the way that it framed it. What was the word? That's the way that it was said. It was weird. Because I just want it to be the area 2, like everything to spawn within the area 2D. And I thought that would be a pretty simple thing. Right? Like add child, letter instance, vector 2. And it has to be in the area position X, area position X plus area rectangle X size. Oh my gosh, that's a pain. But I guess if I set it up like that, it'll, excuse me, I did a little belch. But if I set it up like that, I could change it no matter how much I want. Well, change it like as large or as small as I want. Okay, I think I can do it this stream. I just wanted the dopamine hit. I just wanted the simple dopamine hit. Alright, area 2D, here we go. and it'll have a collision. What was it? Collision. Shape 2D. Yep, under that directly. And you shall be a square. The world will be square. And I want it like here. Yeah, I think I'll have it here. Something like this. I guess it really doesn't matter. I just want it like simple. And within, is there anything within the nodes? Area entered. Actually, no, I can't keep any. I don't think there's anything in here that says to keep everything contained. Oh well. Let's do it. Let's do it the hard way. Okay, so timing, current time, preload, on ready, countdown label, on ready, Wait, what's this? Oh wait, this is still on the timing thing. I don't need the queue free thing. Okay, here we go. Spawn letters. So everything is random. Okay, the ready function's fine. So I'll call the area 2D spawn area, I suppose. Okay, so on ready var spawn area what equals spawn area reference to your area 2D node. Alright, cool. Okay, that's cool. Okay, area position. Let's see if I can find that. It's in the ready. Screen size, get viewport size. Wait, target. Name, target, that's, I don't need to find that. Spawn letters, countdown, So I guess the yeah, that's fine. The screen size doesn't really need to be messed with. So spawn letters, that's what I need to focus on right now. And there's a few variables. Okay, the variables are added. Variables, area, rectangle, spawn area, get node, collision shape 2D, shape, get rec. Is that actually a thing? Oh. No, it doesn't seem like it's a thing. Is this a loop stream? What you talking about? What you mean? Oh, it's like, is this a stream where, like a pre-recorded thing? Nah. I'm not that cool enough. Wait. I'm not that famous enough to have a loop stream. Tried it once, but it wasn't really that engaging to people. So, let's see. A letter instance. Oh, a lot of people record footage and loop it. Literally, I kind of get it. I kind of get it with this kind of content right now, because this is my second live stream, my second coding live stream, and I've done I think it was 4 years of just me drawing my comics. And nobody cares. But as soon as I start coding, that's when piles of people show up for some reason. And that's interesting to me. I don't get it. I thought watching people draw was a little bit more stimulating, but I guess watching somebody type is a little bit more stimulating to the audience. I don't get it. Never do it. It gives you a bad reputation. Okay. Noted. Okay, add child, letter instant. But a bad reputation. I mean, I guess. I feel like reputation mattered in the old YouTube. I'm not saying I'm gonna do it, right? But I'm kind of in the current state of YouTube. I think reputation matters a lot less than it did years ago, decades ago. Oh, so what game are you working on? I'm making a what they call it, a micro game collection. It's kind of like WarioWare a little bit, mixed with a visual novel, right? And at first I wanted to have what was it? Adapt the second chapter of my Let's Go Metal Hero story. It's about two siblings who want to turn a robot into a superhero. And instead of having all the mini games done as in the entire chapter, I'll just instead of that, I'll just upload the finished mini games, micro games onto itch.io so I can get feedback and see if I can tweak it while I work on the next micro game. Okay. Make videos and it give you a bank. Wait, make videos, it give you a bank? Shorts doesn't give that much. What do you mean make videos on my process? On the process of making the micro games? Is that what you mean? Hold up, let me turn on my lights real quick. Just give me 2 seconds. Well, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot. 4. 5. There we go. And I think since the lights are turning off, let me do. Oh yeah, I'm not even monetized yet. I tried for so long to get my channel monetized, and apparently, I don't even know what's keeping me from doing that. You know. I guess my previous content didn't hit right with a lot of people. Maybe 7 days of learning or something. Huh. What do you mean by that? Just... I'm trying to understand what you mean. 7 days of learning. Also, I'm getting the most of my views on, the Shorts Live right now. And it's, I think it's a good kickstart for me. Because I am also dual streaming on, YouTube, horizontal, traditional, and, Twitch. And people don't stop by Twitch. Most people stop by YouTube Live, Vertical Live, and making a vlog type style, a 7 days of coding. That's not a bad idea. I'll try it out. I should try it out actually. I'm just not good at making videos, but the first step of being good at something is being bad at something. As someone said, Jake the dog said from Adventure Time. Let's see. I was doing some. I was in the middle of something. Oh right, changing the theme of the stream from light to dark. Give me a second. Let me go to the filters and turn that off. No transition. Also, try making your shorts related to your videos. Okay. Making shorts related to my videos. Let me think about that. I was thinking about doing something like that. I'll see. I'm spreading myself pretty thin. I'm spreading myself pretty thin right now. I'll try some things out here and there. But if it takes too much time, then it'll flake. The reason why I like live streaming is that I don't have to take it doesn't take a lot of time to set up and just do. I like show clip of the video and then put a link to the full video. Oh, okay. Man, it was so much easier to do stuff like that. Oh yeah, I do live streams, highlights. But that was when I was like making comics, live stream highlights of the comics. Score label text. What was I doing? Oh, right. I was maybe I can do something like that. I can do something like that again. Hold up, let me check this out. Collision shape 2D. Okay. I almost lost track of what I was doing. Spawn letters, react. Spawn area, get node. Got that. Not sure if that's gonna work. There, our area position equals spawn area global position. That's good. Is that Lua? It's GD script. I'm making this game in Kado. But I guess like the coding community is more tight knit than like the art community, which is kind of interesting. That's one thing that I noticed. As soon as I start coding, that's when everybody just starts showing up. Like game development and coding, that's when everybody's like, "Oh, what are you doing? Oh, this is cool." Not like people like that was like showing interest, but like there's a lot more people just lurking. Way more people lurking when it comes to coding streams than art streams. Are you playing Roblox? No, I'm coding in Godot. I'm making my own game. Okay, ref range, area, wait, bounce margin. Okay, cool. Okay, this is on the X. This is on X. So I'll put area, position, X plus bounce margin. Make it special. What you mean? Bounce margin, area position. Oh, area rec size. Rec size X. Minus bounce margin. Okay, that's good. Do you know Undertale? Make us. Do you know? I'm familiar. Okay. what will be the name? It's Let's Go Metal Hero. Like chapter one's already up on Steam for wish listing. I just have the yeah, chapter one's already up on Steam. I have the demo out. Oh, you can also go on itch.io to play the demo without downloading it. It's called Let's Go Metal Hero. I'm working on chapter 2 right now. Like my plan is to get up to chapter 3, and then I'm gonna work on the Purgatory Academy game, and it's gonna be like a card game. Yeah, it makes survival game. It's amazing. I don't have a survival game plan, but I do have a civilization builder that's tied to this one, Chimera Island. It's about a hidden island striving to find balance. I have a game like that in mind. It's not real. Well, yeah, it's kind of like a survival, but that's way down the line. That's like if I get enough money. Screen size Y. Oh, okay. So I don't think I can read. Here you go. What's going on? Oh, it should be an underscore. I was barely paying attention. Yeah, I do have like games in mind, you know? It's just like, I guess like I wanted to make games for a while, but I guess what made me, well, I wanted to make a game. There's no really but. I decided like maybe I should just go after the oh, is it working? Okay, not really. Not really. I was thinking maybe I should go into making games because the comic thing isn't really working out in terms of getting it into the eyes of the audience. Like maybe a game would be a good promotion for the comics, so I can continue making more comics. Because like I have like 2 books out of Purgatory Academy, and like this book is finished. This is a one-shot, and I'm already on like chapter 2, and this is also like, I want this book to be like a 3-part series, but right now I'm at a point of like, what's the point of making more books if I have a problem finding an audience? Vampy plays. Bro, it's been a minute since I've seen you. How you been doing, Vampy? What's going on? Yeah, but it's like, it's been like I've had like several books done, but finding an audience for people to actually care about those books, it's been difficult. So, and when I was like learning about how to market stuff, I learned that making that like a game creations or video games then have a better chance of reaching an audience. Well, compared to like just making comics. Wait, hold up. Area position. And that is a spam bot. I love spam bots on Twitch. Thanks, Twitch. Okay, so this should be it. Letter instance, position. Like, I'm missing something. So it's plus advanced margin, area position. Oh, area position. Area position X plus. There you go. Yeah, you can pretty much get a job if you want. Have a hard learning language. Wait, hold on. You can pretty much get a job if you have hard learning language. Yeah. I believe in you, bro. We all do. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. It's just, yeah, like for me, like my ability to be valuable isn't really in question. Like to me, like being valuable isn't the question. It's just having that callback is just the most annoying thing in the world. Let's see if this works. Cause like I have a lot of people, well, throughout my time of doing stuff like this, people just say, "Hey, I'll wait." Is it? No, it's not working. Ugh. Like people say that like they want to collab or they want to hire me part time, and or I reach out to them saying that I want to work part time and I just don't get the call back, and I'm already like adverse to working Liam. I'm already adverse to working a job, So the fact that I'm not getting that I don't want to get a job and I'm not getting callbacks, it's easy for me to take that as a sign of like I don't need to do that. I don't need that position. Wait, is everything fine? No. Why isn't it working? What's going on? Maybe I'm not paying attention. Modify the spawn letters. Yeah. Yeah, just the callbacks are just the most annoying thing for me. And I'm like, shh, I don't know. I'm like, shh, I don't need this. Like I can like kidding. I'm like, I showed you my resume. I make all these cool books. I can make games. I can voice act. I can do this. I can do that. And the only thing that I can't do is get a stupid callback. So I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Just keep doing what I can do. Just try to make it myself. If the people that I need to impress are not impressed with what I have, then I'm like, then I don't need to impress you, right? Or them. I'm not talking about you, the person that's watching. You're cool. I appreciate you watching. But the people that I need to impress are just not impressed with what I bring to the table. And when it comes to finding people that investors that would back me monetarily, I guess the only thing that I've gotten are you don't have the numbers to back you up to make this a sound investment, which I get. It's not like an odd thing, but building that audience of numbers is a mystery when you don't know what to do. When you don't already have that lightning in a bottle. And that's just the way it goes. Unlike how I'm trying to understand, modify spawn letters. Okay, spawn letters is right here. Add area 2D to the rectangle. Give the shape dimensions. Yeah, yada yada. Modify spawn letters. The function 2D. I guess it's not working. Collision. Okay, it's talking about the. How do I make sure that it's right with the collision shape 2D? Okay, in your Godot scene, area 2D node, area spawn letters, you can resize the position as needed. Add a collision shape 2D as a child. Okay, I did that. Get the area dimensions in your script. Wait. I need the size of the area to use the condition shape and use it as the boundaries of spawning. I think I did that. Modified spawn letters. Adjust the spawn letters. Function to use. Okay, that after that. This function uses area 2D dimensions instead of the viewpoint dimensions when generating random positions. Who's bothering? Oh, my battery percentage is low. That's what's going on. Okay. And how do you modify it? Is there anything other than that that you can help me out with? Key changes on ready. Okay, cool. Oh, area rectangle spawn get. I think that's probably. Oh, I did add that. Var area position. Yeah, I got that right. Man, making a game is difficult. What? Spawn area. Was that also in the on ready? Okay, let's see if I can make that again. Maybe, I think I didn't add that actually. Do I have anything in the areas? Okay, that's a score, letters. Alright, I guess that's my bad. Var area position spawn area dot. Wait a second. Oh, what? Something's not making sense for a second. I thought I added that. Huh, I guess I didn't. I guess I only have one on ready variable. Okay, this is why you shouldn't code at night, alright? Var spawn area. Wait. And so after this. No spawn area equals. Or maybe there's just too much stuff going on here. Oh wait, it's already declared? Really? Where? Oh, it's up here. Yeah, that needs to be down here. Okay, so spawn area is right here. Let's try area rectangle. Okay, cool. Area. No, I think I have that. It's like shake it. Okay. Var and get rectangle. This gets to the child of your 2D node. Okay. Maybe this needs to be outside of. Yeah, maybe it needs to be outside. Oh, that's in spawn letters. Psh. Whoops. Look at in spawn letters. Var, that'll be out on the over here. Var area, dipole position. Yeah, I did that. The letter instance position. Wait. Is the calculating using? Yeah, man, coding is so hard. Yeah, it is. It absolutely is. Okay, I just have to look at like how bright it is. Let's check it out. The letter instance position. By the way, you got sub. Thank you. Let's calculate using area position. In here, okay. Letter instance position. Letter instance position. Okay. Huh? What is that supposed to? Wait. Is when the calculating area position. Wait, I gotta look at that then. In spawn letters. So it looks good so far. Right? Shape, get rectangle. Area position, spawn area position. Var, that's good. Add child, that's good. Letter instance position. Around. And the instance. Oh, okay, I get it. I understand what they're talking about. I understand. I'm picking up what they're putting down. I was just staring at it. It was staring at me in the face. It's calculating the area position and the area size and the margin is applied. Now we'll spawn with it. Okay, so it will spawn. How can I contain? I contain the letters within the area, within the spawn area. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to contain it within the spawn layer area. So I guess what it was doing what I wanted it to do to spawn it, but it didn't contain it. Silly me. So Wrangle shape 2D, circle shape 2D. Use geek tree, moving collide. Okay, well, what am I looking at? Okay, so within. Okay, so I have to look. Oh, jeez. Letter scene. Add a collision shape 2D child to your node letters. This will give the shape that can interact with collision shapes, which I have. Make sure your letter scene is attached. When your letters script, there's a common approach. Get a area boundaries ready. So I have to look at the ready using get tree, get nodes, and the group spawn area 0. Collision bouncing, moving collide. Okay. Okay. So I'll look at the main, at the ready. Assuming all the areas passes the rectangle. Okay. So wait a second. Oh, it's in the letter Godot script. Okay. Not in the main Godot script. Okay, so within this rigid body 2D. I almost messed that up. If global spawn air. Ah, shoot. On area rect does not equal null. Spawn. Wait, that's not. Oh, okay. I'm making a huge mistake. Okay, var spawn area rectangle. Rectangle 2. That's good. Var. Oh, the letter speed's already there. I don't think I need to worry about the letter speed. What are ye making? A spell the name game. To put it simply, it's a micro game within the Let's Go Metal Hero story right here. It's a whole lot just for a small little game, Alex. Emily. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, the Daves. But everything works. What I'm trying to do is make sure all the letters are within the name, or within the, or within the contain, or, what was it? The facility, the spawn area right here, and making sure it doesn't go out. So that's the plan. Q free, that's interesting. This is interesting. This is function. Like, oh my gosh, this is nuts. I'm looking at the processes. I'm like, I don't think it's that serious. I wish I could make a game. I'm trashing making games, man. Transferring. I'm more of a big picture guy. I'm using like AI to like write the code for me, and because I know how to write, I'm learning. Since I'm making like simple games, the code the AI is giving me simple code. So if I want to become a little bit more complex, I ask it how do I make it more complex, and it'll just be like, hey, do this, this, and this. So it's not perfect, right? So you have to at least learn a little bit about the code. You need to learn how to read it at the very least to know what you're doing. Because I'm kind of learning in reverse. Because I don't know how to write it, but I know how to read it. So when I see something that doesn't sound right, or something that doesn't work, I'll just pass it by the AI, and because everything is simple, it mostly knows what's wrong. And like, first of all, just don't copy and paste. You have to write everything by hand, right? It helps like learning. It helps to learn the language, and it mostly helps learning the language, because you'll start to pick up on the patterns, just like with any language. And it looks like with this one, if I want to keep the letters inside the area, if I want to keep all the letters inside the area, I might have to like remake the physics of the letters, which I probably need to do because the physics are just lame. The physics are just lame. Yeah, just check this out, man. I like how it is right now, but I just don't like how it's just like jittering off the corners like this. And I think that's just code that I need to completely rewrite. But man, holy crap, it's 8 o'clock. I have a rule. I stop being productive after 8 o'clock. Just for my brain to unwind. It's a good, healthy thing to do, right? Right. So, I think I'll just end the stream right here. I think this will be hard to forget, actually. A young man named Mason that suddenly gains electronic powers. He stumbles into a universe that's a dark place with flying letters. Yeah. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. But anyway, that's all we got. Y'all take care. Take care. Take it easy. Subscribe to the channel. Please, I'm trying to get monetized so people can donate and I can get money off that. So that'd be nice. That'd be very nice. Anyway, peace. Okay.